Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A5. So from any screen that it's on navigation at the moment, we need menu. That's the best way. Menu, we go to telephone, click telephone, and you see there it's got search for new phone, or in the corner settings. Now each instruction in the corner corresponds to the buttons here. So bottom right hand corner settings is this bottom right hand button next to the rotary selector. So we'll click settings, then down to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, then bonded Bluetooth devices. So we want bonded Bluetooth devices, and you'll see my phone there, Barry's iPhone 11. Click on that. Your first choice is delete Bluetooth device, then hands-free connect or audio player connect. So basically, if one person's got his phone connected and the other person, you want to listen to somebody else's music, apparently people do that in cars, I don't know why, but you can play somebody else's music through the system. So I just want to delete this, so delete. Do you really want to delete this device? Yes. That's it, gone.